Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Customer states I hit a curb. Guess so.
Customer states, my oil pressure light came on. Can you check it, please?
Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. I don't know how I feel about the key.
So we are at 12 liters and almost a quart, which is about 13 quarts. And it's still draining oil. This motor is supposed to have 6 quarts of oil in it.
I don't think I need new rotors. Yep, pretty sure.
One of the weirdest electrical issues you'll probably ever see. Customer states, my car constantly makes this noise when the battery is connected. It's likely just the alarm going off just with an almost dead battery. Mechanic's wife states, can you check on my car? I smell burning plastic. Customer was complaining about a rattling noise. A tiny piece of plastic had fallen into a vent, causing an almost 10-hour job to fix it. Customer states, it suddenly just stopped working, which makes sense as it was basically dry of oil. Customer states, I started my car up this morning and now it sounds like a helicopter. This customer drove in complaining that his truck was shaking and was also driving odd. They were completely unaware that the driveline was damaged like this.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm doing it.
Don't do it.
I'm doing it.
This BMW has been to a shop multiple times trying to fix this loud squeaking noise. The shop lied and sold them a new starter motor saying it would fix it when it's obviously a pulley or belt. Customer states, hey, could you do a quick puncture repair? Yeah, I'm not sure a patch is going to fix this one. Customer states, my old battery died and when I installed this new one, this weird noise started coming from my engine bay. This is also an old alarm system that must have been installed by a previous owner. I have no idea why a new battery would set the alarm off versus the old one. Customer states, my dash lights turn on when I brake.
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.